It is, there's no watch on there. It's 7:01. I've been up since 4:52 because I couldn't sleep. So I did some orders and was researching some bits and was trying to find Mika's Arsenal membership online because I can't find it. The girls got up like 25 minutes ago while I was doing my makeup. They've gone downstairs to sort the cats out. I am now fully dressed and ready for the day. Thought I'd open a box of gloss. I've done my watch up too tight and it doesn't feel nice. My mum is coming round today, which is nice. Excited to see her. Oh, cute. It's a hand gel. It's a gingerbread one from Bubble Tea. That's really cute. That's a box of gloss. Let's have a little snifferoo of you and see if you smell like pure alcohol or if you smell like gingerbread. I'm yet to find. Oh, it's sealed and then it's sealed again. Super sanitary. No messing around. Because sometimes you get hand sanitizers like this whole pepperoni that has like made everyone have like a favourite hand sanitizer, hasn't it? Oh my god, what? It says gingerbread, but I can smell like the spice. I think I can smell like cloves. But yeah, it's gone really quickly. Yeah, that's nice. Mum is coming today, as I said, when she's bringing all of Ben's Christmas presents because I get them all delivered to her house because of Hermes. Yeah, I thought I would quickly show you. I've been painting recently. I'm not good at painting, but I like painting. Look at these that I did. I love them. I'm so happy with them. I'm going to do like a few more different colour ones and then I'm going to frame them and put them on the wall. I've done a really big one downstairs. I also made this as one of these for sale. So if anyone wants it, let me know. So it's like painted ombre, yellow to orange, and it's got silver gilding on it, and then it's got Scrabble letters that say fuck this shit. That's on my Etsy if you want it. I've been trying to be really good. Not really good because that's not the right term. I've been trying to be more in control of my eating because I've been binge eating it so bad recently, like fucking ridiculous. And it's just boredom eating and just stupidness. So I always find if I write it down it's better. So I started on Monday. I like planned out my whole day in advance and it definitely helps. So yeah. And I'm like doing I've got like what I'm eating and then I've got the calories next to it. I've got an app that I do it on, but it's just, I like having it writing physically down, and I plan my snacks out for the day so that I know that I've got like what's coming and then how many steps I do and then the verdict whether or not it's a good day or a bad day. And so far we've had 2 good days, so I'm hoping the same for today. And I've had really yummy food all week, so I think that makes a difference. Like when I plan it, when I plan what I'm going to eat, I can like plan in all the yummy things. Like yesterday I made that soup which was delicious with crackers, and then I had banana on toast for breakfast with chocolate spread, which is one of my all-time favourites. It was so good, but I had really thick toast, just one slice with low sugar, like non-nut chocolate spread, and like the Sweet Freedom one, which is my favourite anyway because it's dark, and then a banana on the top. And I had a dal the other night which I made, and I had jalapeno cheese pasties last night, which are one of my favourites, with a huge pile of broccoli and cheese sauce to dunk. I'm still under the calories, so it's just, I can do it. It's just holding myself accountable. So yeah, if you see me just like inhaling celebrations, just give me a slap. Yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs with the girls now, make a coffee, and we'll go and see what the elves have been up to today, if they've done anything. Yeah.
The elves haven't done anything. They're just in their box.
That's weird.
With no notes. Yeah.
Maybe they're just tired. Don't know.
Well,
Oh, you found your Christmas cards?
yeah, that Saturday they had a lion, remember?
Yeah. Don't know. Maybe they do something while you're at school. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Who can make me a cup of coffee?
Me.
Can then. Right. The girls seem to think the elves are in the car. But we were all having breakfast and no one went outside, so... What are they doing?
In the car.
Why are they in the car? Is there Ari, Mika, there's someone in your car seat.
No.
There's one in Foxy's, one in yours. That's crazy. Wow.
We're missing the black one.
Is it the goth one not sitting on my chair?
Oh,
Yeah. Right, gather them all up. Ari, put your book bag in the front. We are back from the school run. And I made a rookie mistake. Foxy pooped this morning while Ben was here. So Ben couldn't do it. And then I went on the school run and I did not take a changing bag. And we got to school a bit early because we like to get parked. And I let him out of his seat belt so he can just climb around the car. And he goes into the boot and he shouts, "What did you shout when you went in the boot? What did you do in the boot of the car?" Foxy, what did you do in the boot of the car? Did you do a poop? Do a poop in the car? I was like instant panic because I was like, oh my god, I don't think I've got any nappies. There's no changing bag. No, Foxy, get off the cats. Found a packet of wipes, and then I was like, because my car's a 7-seater, my back 2 seats were flat, and I pulled them up and I found one random clean nappy just squashed underneath one of the seats. So thankfully that was okay, but he had to have his bum changed, and it's like 1 degree outside. So who's got a cold bum? Who got a really cold bum?
Me.
Leave baby pooper pants alone. You are a menace. Foxy, who's coming to see you today?
Nana.
Nana.
Hey.
What are you going to say to Nana?
Elves.
What?
Elves.
The elves? The elves are here already, aren't they?
Oh.
Should we get you a snack? I've just wrapped up a load of presents. Mum bought them. She's there. Say hi to your fans, Mum. There she is. Who was being a robot this morning?
Me.
Don't touch the camera. Come on.
Look,
Strawberry.
that
Strawberry.
Look, that noise.
Is it your bum?
No.
Is it Kit Kats?
No.
Is it Yumpy?
No.
Is it Nana?
No.
What is it then?
Come on, my Ken.
Who's making what?
Come.
Oh, the camera's making a noise, is it? What noise is it? You tell me. I can't hear a noise. Who loves strawberries?
Me.
I had to order a load of those Nairn's oat cakes. You know, the little round, the cheese ones. He absolutely loves them.
Does he?
Yeah. No touching camera. No. No.
Mommy, behind it.
Hey. I've hardly filmed anything today. We'll blow it. my mum was here all day with her partner, but he is very, very poorly. So we didn't want to film and intrude on him. So we just spent the day with him, which was really, really lovely. The kids have all got fairy toast. Aria is apparently feral. Fairy toast?
It's Teddy, it's fairy.
Yeah. What is fairy toast? Can anybody tell them what fairy toast is?
Eggy bread.
Eggy bread, but we call it fairy toast.
What okay.
You got fairy toast as well, a good boy.
What is it called? It looks
Because
like
I've always called it fairy toast since you were little. Yeah, so this is what they're having for dinner. Just because it's been a bit of a draining day and I don't have a lot of energy. I'm trying this to stop the cats jumping up because Gary keeps jumping up on here and I don't mind too much, but this gets hot and I don't want him to like stand on the hot bit. The kids have got their Christmas cards to write tonight. Yeah. You are cray. Your fairy toast nice? Do you want to look at yourself? Who's that lovely boy?
Me.
Who's been super naughty today?
Me.
Have you been hitting everyone? Did you crash the buggy into Grumpy's legs? That's not nice, is it? Do nice little boys get presents? Do naughty little boys get presents? Who took your present?
No.
Your nink-nonk? Who's got it?
Santa.
Santa took it. Is he going to bring it back? You going to be a good boy? Yeah. More fairy toast is coming, my baby. What are you doing, sassy pants? Bedtime? Ari? Is this a boo-boo pants? Is it your sassy boy? And you bite you?
Yeah.
Guy. He's a gentle boy. He's a gentle boy.
He's a gooey boy.
You just did vision eyes.
You can do it.
Where you going, Bender?
Football.
Football? Football? You play football? Are you?
Actually,
What?
you might eyeball or something.
Oh yeah. Let's get that on camera. Ben puts his contact lenses in to play football, and this is Ben after he's got his contacts in. What does Daddy do when he's got his contact lenses in? Ari, what does Daddy do when he gets his contact lenses in? Are we being mean to Daddy? Is he a nerd?
Yeah.
Just jump up to cough at me. Thank you.
All done.
What's the apple?
Not doing the other one, so I can get a laser looped into my eye.
Daddy's still blinky. Be Daddy right now, Mika.
Huh?
Blink.
I have to blink it so it settles in the right place. I can see you though.
Hey, you know the drill. It's bedtime. 7:25. Ben is going to play football tonight, which is why he's put his contact lenses in. And I am set up in bed. I've got my laptop to watch Grim and do some editing, my phone, a coffee, a bottle of water, some spicy nuts and some chocolate, a Foxy on here. I thought I would show you my tattoos now. It's like, I had them on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so they're 5 days old today. So this one is still really sore, and it's gone a bit crispy. I've got some of this to put on it. That's what they sold me. This one seems to have healed really well so far. But yeah, those are my knees. I will see you tomorrow.